Alright, when you get your lock and key, it probably looks like this. So you want to make sure that the key with the teeth is pointing north. Put it in the lock and make sure the tang is to your right. So in that position, you're going to rotate the barrel counterclockwise so there's a flat right here. Okay. Now, when it's in that position, we're going to take off the screw, the tang, and there's a lock washer in there too. But do not take the key out of the lock. So we're going to do that now. Okay. And with everything the way it was set up, you just put it into the door rail. So this is the outside of the rail. The inside is where the lock is going to be. So now we're going to screw this nut on. I don't know if you can see it. Hard to get started. Crap. There we go. Okay. Then with your 19/32 wrench, you're going to hold this in place.
Or crescent wrench.
Yeah, and tighten it up. So tighten it pretty snugly and make sure that your key is still pointing north. If it's not, just readjust this back a little bit. There we go. Okay, so now you got that on there. Now you're going to put on the lock washer, the tang, which goes in that little hole, and the screw. Then you tighten that screw down, and you are done. If you can get the screw in the hole. There you go. So now it should open and close. Lock, open. There you go. Off.